the smart way to finance your luxury vehicle. Unlocking the secrets of car loans. Hey everyone, it's Tony here. Listen up. If you're getting Social Security benefits like SSDI or SSI deposited into your bank account, this message is for you. Let's talk about how you might be applying for car loans the wrong way. Have you ever wondered how some regular folks are driving around in expensive luxury SUVs? They're not celebrities or trust fund kids. They're just savvy business owners who know how to work the system. So what does that actually mean? I'm going to show you how I got into a Range Rover with a sticker price of $145,000, and I did it legally with no money down. Trust me, anyone could do it if they set things up the right way. Make sure to watch this whole video because the last section is where most people mess up. Who this works for. Let's get one thing clear. This strategy can work for a lot of people. If you have an LLC or corporation, if you're a side hustler, a contractor, or even if you still work a 9 to 5 while running a business, listen up. You don't need to be a huge company or have $1 million in revenue to make this work. What you really need is structure. Banks and dealerships lend to businesses that look real, stable, and intentional. They want to know you're serious. Setting up your business right. First things first, your business has to exist on paper. This means it needs to be registered. You should have an LLC or corporation, and you must be a for-profit entity. This is super important because lenders want to see a legal entity with the intention to generate income separated from your personal finances. Another must-have is an EIN or employer identification number. Think of it like a social security number for your business. It's issued by the IRS, and it's free. You need this number for loan applications, business credit profiles, and auto financing paperwork. If you walk into a dealership without an EIN, it's like walking in unprepared. Remember, personal credit is still really important. Lenders want a personal guarantor for business loans. So, if you're working on building your business credit, remember to keep an eye on your personal credit too. The power of business credit. Having good business credit means you need to set up your business correctly. It should be established within the business credit bureaus, Experian Business, Equifax Business, and Dun & Bradstreet. Claiming your DUNS number is also essential because it's totally free. Now here's where people usually get it wrong. Business credit works differently than personal credit. You're aiming for a Paydex score. The higher, the better. But there's an important cheat code. Paying your bills early can boost your business credit faster. To build this credit effectively, you should add trade lines. This means getting vendor credit where you can buy everyday business items, like office supplies, and have them report payment history to the credit bureaus. Time to buy the car. Okay, now you're ready to buy that car. Here's the key. When you apply, ask specifically for a business credit application. If they direct you online, it's likely more of a personal loan situation. When I got my Range Rover, I took my EIN letter, my business info, and my business credit report with me. You want to apply as a business with you as a personal guarantor. Don't believe anyone who tells you differently unless you've got millions on paper. And let's be real, dress comfortably when you go in. You don't need to wear a suit to impress them. Let your excellent credit do the talking. How to buy a car with no money down. Now, when it comes to cars, lenders usually prefer vans, trucks, and sedans. For a better chance of approvals, aim for vehicles priced under $60,000. Why? Because they see it as lower risk. My first Range Rover was $55,000. As your business credit grows, you can start aiming for the big vehicles. Just remember, they might check not only your business credit, but also your personal credit. Having a solid personal credit score is essential, but it doesn't have to be perfect. Take action. Here's what I want you to remember. If you're looking to buy a car through your business, prepare properly. Make sure your business is set up right with an EIN and is registered. Build your business credit by paying early and maintaining consistency. If you learned something today or found this helpful, hit that subscribe button. And if you've got questions, leave a comment below. Let's keep this conversation going. Until next time, take care. And remember, planning makes all the difference.